Hi everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Today for math, we're going to do some addition. And since we're learning about the water cycle, we are going to do rain cloud addition. So for math today, you're going to need a piece of paper where you can make a little mat that you're going to be adding things on. And then you need a journal or another piece of paper where you can write down your answers that you find. All right, so on the mat, you're going to write rain cloud addition, and you can put two clouds. So you're going to think about adding two numbers together. So you're going to have one part here plus another part equals, and then your answer will be down here. So remember, adding, you need a plus sign for adding, and it means that you're joining two parts together. You're joining two numbers together to see what the sum is. All right, so for the first problem, I wrote down 5 plus 5. Oh, I forgot to say, you need the two clouds at the top. Those will be the two numbers that you're adding. And then also, I went ahead and I did 10 raindrops on the first row and 10 raindrops on the second row. So 10 plus 10 would be 20. So I have 20 raindrops down here that I'm going to use when I'm adding my numbers together. All right, go ahead and get all this set up, and you can do these with me or you can do your own problems. Some of these might be a little bit too easy for you. So if you need to do bigger numbers, go ahead and do that. You can even add even more raindrops. You can do 10 more, which would be 30, and 10 more would be 40. So make it however you need to challenge yourself. All right, so the first one that I have here, the first problem I have is 5 plus 5. So I'm going to put my counters. So you're going to need some manipulatives, just like we have in the classroom. We have snap cubes, we have snap circles, we have gems that we use. So whatever you can find at your house, use those. I'm using just little cut up pieces of index cards. So I just cut them up into little squares so I could use those. And it might help to have two different colors. You could use little mini Legos, you could use coins, you could use beans, nuts, whatever you can find at home. All right, 5 plus 5. So I'm going to put 5 orange squares in one cloud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're going to do bigger numbers, you might want to use smaller counters, okay? 5 orange squares and 5 yellow squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5 plus 5. So now we have our parts, and now we're going to move them to see what they equal together. So I'm going to pretend like they're raindrops falling from the clouds, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5 more. So I'm going to add on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 5 plus 5 equals 10. You can recount to make sure. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So make sure you're writing your numbers the right way and not backwards, okay? Practice writing them the right way. All right, the next problem is 12 plus 8. So I'm going to move my 5 counters up and these 5 up, and I'll just add. So I have 5. I need 12 on this side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, I have 5 here and I need 8 on this side. So I have 5. I'm going to add on 6, 7, 8. So let's see what 12 plus 8 is. All right, let's move these down to our raindrops. This is kind of like a 10 frame that we use in the classroom. or a 20 frame. So we have 10 and 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know we had 12 to start with, and then we're going to add these 8 to the 12. Let's see, 12 plus 8. 12, let's count on, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, I have my 12 plus 8 more equals 20. So I already wrote 12 plus 8 equals 20. So remember, a 12 is written with a 1 at the beginning. Some of you get confused, but 12 is 1 and then 2. That's 12. 20 starts with the number 2 because it's 2 groups of 10. The 2 goes in the tens place. All right. The next problem says 3 plus 7. The next one is 10 plus 10. Then I have 6 plus 4 and 9 plus 11. So go ahead and use your counters, whatever you can find, to do these addition problems. And if these are too easy for you, or you want to do your own problems that you make up, you can do that. All right. Have fun adding.